from the van der Waals force of attraction, we have noticed that molecules are attracted by weak van der Waals forces of attraction. Now, there is another type of attraction between molecules that is known as hydrogen bonding. For definition purposes, it is an intermolecular force of attraction in which the electropositive hydrogen atom of one molecule is attracted to a very electronegative atom of another molecule. The electronegative atom is usually fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. Now let us take an example of a compound that has both hydrogen and fluorine, for example. So let us draw that we have HF, which is hydrogen and fluorine, to form what we call hydrogen fluoride. Now let us go to the dot and cross structure. We have hydrogen atom that is covalently bonded to a fluoride atom. One electron is donated by hydrogen for sharing and the other by fluorine, and then both of them obtain the stable octet configuration or duplet configuration. Now, since fluorine is electronegative, meaning it can strongly pull electron towards itself, that means it will pull the two electrons that are shared more towards itself, and therefore it will form partial charges. Now this charge, that means since we have more electrons in fluorine than in hydrogen, it will develop a partially negative charge represented by the following symbol, delta negative, or let me make it more clearer, delta negative. So this one has a partial negative charge on fluorine. Since fluorine has developed a partial negative charge, automatically, just like the poles of a magnet, hydrogen will develop a partially positive charge, and hydrogen is electropositive, so that's why we say develops a partial positive charge. Now when we have another molecule of fluorine here, hydrogen fluoride, sorry, and another, they will have these partial negative charges and partial positive charges, and we call these compounds polar because they have poles. One pole is positive, the other is negative. Now let us use a better diagram. Now another compound that has got hydrogen bonding is the one which has hydrogen and oxygen, which is water, which is written as H2O. Now with this diagram, you're able to see how hydrogen bonding is formed. Now oxygen is electropositive, so it pulls electrons towards itself here, and therefore it develops a partial negative charge. Once it develops the partial negative charge, hydrogen automatically develops a partial positive charge. Now two molecules of water will arrange themselves in such a way that the partial negative charge attracts the partial positive charge, and this attraction is known as the hydrogen bond. And we know that hydrogen and oxygen are combined with a covalent bond. It is important to note that the hydrogen bond is stronger than the van der Waals forces of attraction, but weaker than a covalent bond. Now let us take this example. If a covalent bond represents a stable marriage, that means a very strong bond, then a hydrogen bond would be represented as two people just being friends, just weak. And a van der Waals force of attraction would just be acquaintances, people who just know each other because maybe they live in the same locality. So that is the strength of a covalent hydrogen and a van der Waals force of attraction.